Hi, I'm Michael from Masseuse Massage. The brand new Ultimate Chiro has just arrived in your lounge room. I'm going to show you how to put it together so you can sit back and find your happy place. So the first thing we need to do is take the armrests out of this box, and you'll find the two armrests just inside there. We'll take the big box off, so it's probably best to have two people for this one. There is a lot of packaging, as you can see. We want it to turn up to your home in as good condition as it left the factory. So I'm going to take all that packaging away now. I'll just take the remote out and plug it in. It's important to actually incline the chair to a fully seated position before you take it off the base here and then assemble it. Kettle cord's fairly straightforward, just plugs in like any power cord, and then the remote control has a plug with 5 holes in it. You need to match that up. And then you connect you screw on the chrome piece here just to make sure it's fully connected. So now that's in, the remote's in. I'll plug it in with an extension cord, I'll sit it up, and then we'll move to the next stage. You can hear the chair engaging, so you know that you've plugged it in correctly. You've got an on and off switch at the back here. Make sure it's switched on, and then just press the red button and you'll see the chair sit up. Now if I turn the chair off, pressing the red button twice, it will completely sit the chair up, and I'll just make sure that it's completely up by pressing the up arrow here. That's ready now to take off the bottom piece of packaging, and then I can assemble the sides and put the footrest on. First thing to do is put the armrests on. There is some air tubes and also some power connectors. Pretty straightforward, you match the colors up on the air tubes and on the power cords. Important to make sure these air tubes are on all the way. This is what runs your air cushions for your arm and hand massages, all the way like that. Obviously you can match up the power connectors here to the matching size and color. All fairly straightforward so far. Now we get this little cover here, and this is important. This is going to help the air cables, stop them from getting crimped. Now you tuck that back in the side here and the armrest on. So at the back here, you've got 4 screw holes, and at the front you have 2. If we line this up, it should sit there like that. Your full set of what you need to build it is 4 long screws and 4 shorter screws. So just any basic Phillips head screwdriver will work. I'm going to take half of these and connect this armrest on. Start with the back 2 to begin. The longer screw goes in here. Of course you can use a power drill, might make it a bit faster. Those 2 in, now you've got your smaller screws here. So now you just put the 2 in at the front. Sometimes you may need to put a bit of extra pressure down here just to catch and line up the holes. That's fine. Move to the next side here, exactly the same. There's a few less plugs and tubes on this side. That side's got the built-in remote control. So this side, not having that, has only got the 1 electrical socket. Done. Then we connect the back and the front again. 2 long screws. Now, those guys are done. Back to the front. Done. So now we put these covers on, which is just a feature of the chair. Basically, you've got a left and a right. Now the left is when you're sitting in the chair to your left, not looking at the chair. So you basically have to get this end into this hole here. You can see there's a hole right there. So this guy needs to clip into there, and then that obviously goes into the white ball joint here. He's a little bit tight. Push that down like so, And then get this side in and connect the ball joint here. That's it. Then we do the other side. And that's it. So now you're just going to install the amazing reflexology rollers and leg and foot massager. You have to make sure that you connect that air tube all the way on again so none of the air escapes, and also just connect the electricity plug. And then we put these two guys on the side here. Now these little guys need to come off. They were attached here, one on each side, butterfly clips. And then we line up the male-female joints here, like so. Just put your butterfly clips back in. Sometimes it helps to have a screwdriver or something to push on it. And the same on this side. This guy tucks under here. Line the Velcro up. Bring the seat back down. Remote control. Lives in the side pocket like so. There you have the amazing new Ultimate Chiro massage chair. Time for a massage. Have a great day.